Hi, hello my dear students. Welcome back to chemistry class beta. So in the last video class, in part 11th class, we have discussed about the Maxwell concept of James Maxwell concept of electromagnetic radiations and their properties. So once again try to memorize beta. Shortly I want to make revision. So how the electromagnetic radiations they are going to be produced. The reason is only one thing, due to acceleration of electrically charged particles. They are going to produce the alternate electric and magnetic fields, and they are going to be transmitted in the form of waves. Such waves we have to be say that what nana electromagnetic radiations, and also we can say that electromagnetic waves. Yes sir, no? And after that we have seen so many very important properties of EMR. In that, number one is, what about the traveling electromagnetic radiations? They can travel even in vacuum also. The meaning is already I have told you, for their propagation they don't require any medium. And one more thing already I have told you, all the 9 types of electromagnetic radiations, they can travel with same speed. That speed I have told you, that is nothing but velocity of light. So what is the value in meter per second beta? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. And after that we have seen about the frequency. What is the symbol of frequency? Nu, and unit is nothing but Hz. And one more property is wavelength. Symbol is nothing but lambda, and it can be measured in meters, nanometers, centimeters, angstroms, like that number of units I have told you beta. Okay, and after that we have seen about the amplitude, height of the crust, depth of the trough. Okay, and also we have seen about the wave number. So what is the symbol of wave number beta? Nu bar, which is inversely proportional to the wavelength. So like that all types of, and also we have seen about the energy of radiation, always directly proportional to its frequency, E proportional to nu. Okay, that formula also already I have told you, and all that formulas are very important, and all that properties are very important. So you have to be focused on the definition and along with formula and along with their respective units. Okay beta, good. Now in this part 12th video class, in this lecture 12, I am going to be explain about the EMS. Sir, what is mean by EMS? The meaning of EMS is, here we can say that electromagnetic spectrum. What beta? Electromagnetic spectrum. So in this video class particularly we are going to be discuss about the 2 types of spectrums. One is electromagnetic spectrum, and one more is particularly in that electromagnetic spectrum there is a small portion that is nothing but visible part. So that visible part, it is responsible for the formation of visible spectrum. So one is nothing but electromagnetic spectrum, and one more is nothing but the visible spectrum. Okay, all of you know? Yes. So let me consider first of all, sir, what is mean by electromagnetic spectrum? And all of you listen, my dear students. First of all, try to remember the concept, and you should remember the all 9 types of electromagnetic radiations, how they are arranged in EMS, how they are arranged in electromagnetic spectrum. Sir, what is mean by spectrum? The meaning of spectrum is nothing but a series of EMR, or we can say a series of colored bands: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, wave jar, rainbow. Okay, right. So a series of, or we can say a systematic arrangement of different types of colored bands, not bond, band, nothing but line, Gita. Okay na beta? Yes. And also we can say that a systematic arrangement of different types of colored bands, and also we can say that a systematic arrangement of different types of electromagnetic radiations. ओके ना, सामने का पीछे, फ्रंट टू बिफोर, ओके ना, सामने पीछे उल्टा पलटा नहीं होना पड़ेगा. दिस ऑर्डर शुड बी बेसिक्स इन योर माइंड. Okay na, it is a systematic order. We have to be right in that manner only, because of This is the arrangement given by considering two properties. One property is frequency, one more property is nothing but wavelength. Of course, all four properties also we can consider. Wave number, wavelength, frequency, energy. Okay, na beta. But you have to be focused mainly on two words. One is frequency factor, one more is nothing but the wavelength factors. Okay, so all 9 types of electromagnetic radiations. Sir, what are the electromagnetic radiations? Total number of electromagnetic radiations are 9. And you should remember this order in the sequence only. Otherwise, you can't give the answer for objective exams. Because of in objective exams, they are going to ask you in the multiple choice questions, 4 options, 4 different electromagnetic radiations are given to you for suppose. And in that they are going to ask you, sir, among the following, which electromagnetic radiation contains maximum wavelength, maximum frequency, maximum energy, maximum wave number, minimum wave number. So for each and every property, 100% you can say the answer. But before that, you should be very familiar about the systematic arrangement of all 9 types of electromagnetic radiation. Okay, so that sequence you should be remember. Otherwise, you can't say the answer. Okay, so come on, speak out along with me, Nana. One is nothing but cosmic rays, and one more is nothing but gamma rays, and one more is nothing but what, Nana? X rays, and next one is nothing but UV rays, and next one is nothing but visible rays. Tries to see there. Okay, and listen my voice. After that visible rays, next one is nothing but IR rays, nothing but infrared, or we can say IR rays, or we can say IR waves, no problem. After that we can write microwaves. Next one is nothing but the TV rays, and also we can say that last one is radio waves. Okay, all of you. So total 9 types of electromagnetic radiations are there, and the sequence you must be remember. So once again, cosmic rays and gamma rays and X rays, and we can say UV rays. Next one is visible rays, and next one is nothing but the IR rays, and one more is micro rays or microwaves, no problem. Next one is TV rays, or we can say TV waves, and last one is nothing but the radio waves. Okay, all of you, Nana, this order must be in this pattern only. You should not exchange any one EMR, and you should be remembering the same sequence 100%. So after that, what happened, Nana? Among these all types of electromagnetic radiations, only one particular part, only one a small portion, the small portion is nothing but the visible ray portion, or we can say visible light portion, that we can see with our eyes, that we can detect with our eyes, and except visible, remaining all other electromagnetic radiations, we can't detect with the help of our eye directly. So our eyes can see or detect directly only which portion? Only a small portion of the entire electromagnetic spectrum. That small portion, or we can say that small part, we have to be say that visible ray. And that visible ray, again we are classifying into how many spectrums, Nana? How many colored? That visible ray undergo, okay, now splitting into 7 different colors. That is nothing but the web jar, rainbow. Definitely our eyes can see that, our eyes can detect that, Nana. Okay, so in the entire electromagnetic spectrum, which part of the EMS we can see, or we can say our eyes can be detect, or the region is nothing but what, Nana? Visible region. So the region is the frequency and wavelength, especially the wavelength of visible region, that going to be contact with eye retina. Okay, all of you, Nana? Yes. So only a particular region our eyes can be detect, that is nothing but visible rays. Remaining electromagnetic radiations, they can be seen by using other special instruments, Nana. Okay, all of you? Yes. So, sir, how many types of electromagnetic radiations are there? Total 9 types of electromagnetic radiations are there. They are arranged in a systematic manner. The manner is on the basis of frequency and on the basis of wavelength. But in the last class already I have told you, frequency mu is always inversely proportional to wavelength. Frequency mu is, or we can say frequency mu is always inversely proportional to wavelength. That means if one factor going to be decreased and another factor goes to be increased. This one be fixed in our mind. Very good. Now listen carefully. Okay. So total 9 types of electromagnetic radiations or lights are there. They are arranged in a systematic order. But try to remember in that order which factor goes to be decreases and which factors goes to be increases. Yes. So from cosmic rays to radio waves, from left to right in electromagnetic spectrum, the values of wavelength, it goes to be increases. So what is the wavelength of cosmic rays? 10 to the power of minus 16 meters. And what is the wavelength of radio waves? 10 to the power of 8 meter. So left to right, from cosmic rays to radio waves, the values of wavelength that goes to be increases. So wavelength values which are measured what on lambda. So wavelength, or we can say lambda values, they goes to be increases from left to right, always in electromagnetic spectrum. If wavelength values goes to be increases, inversely proportional, nothing but frequency values, nothing but new values which are measured in hertz, they goes to be decreases from left to right. So from left to right, in the systematic order of EMR, in the systematic arrangement of electromagnetic radiations, left to right, frequencies goes to be decrease and wavelength values goes to be increase. So that's why I have written a simple definition of EMS. A systematic arrangement of all the electromagnetic radiations in their increasing order of wavelength, and decreasing order of frequency, frequency. So left to right, which values goes to be increases? Wavelength, and frequency values goes to be decrease. Okay, all of you? Yes, same definition you can write as it is. I mean, we can make copy paste. So once again, a systematic arrangement of all the electromagnetic radiations in their increasing order of wavelength and their decreasing order of frequencies. Such systematic arrangement of EMR is known as electromagnetic spectrum. I hope you understand the answer clearly. Okay, na beta? Yes. Now here I want to tell you electromagnetic radiation. For suppose, what is the first one? Cosmic rays. So I want to tell mainly two things about the cosmic rays, and one more thing also I want to tell about the last one. That last one is nothing but what? Radio waves. So let me consider first of all information about the cosmic rays, and one more information I want to give you about the radio waves. Okay, right. So left to right, wavelength values increases. So which contains maximum wavelength? Radio waves. So radio waves, they contains maximum wavelength. What is the symbol? Lambda. Maximum wavelength. And if radio waves contains maximum wavelength, what about the frequency? Frequency will be very less because of both are inversely proportional. Okay. So radio waves, they contains maximum wavelength, means we have to say that it contains lowest frequency, and also we can say that simply we can say it contains minimum frequency. And quite opposite we can denote for cosmic rays. So that is nothing but the cosmic ray is nothing but the first one. It contains left to right, wavelength goes to increase. So right one contain more wavelength, first one contain least wavelength. Means cosmic ray contains minimum wavelength. If wavelength is minimum for cosmic ray, it contains maximum frequency 10 to the power of 24. So cosmic rays, they are having minimum wavelength, and we can say that they are having maximum frequency. All of you, my dear students, try to remember both the parts. Okay, all of you, this is the information very, very important. Okay, electromagnetic radiation with maximum wavelength is maximum wavelength is radio, maximum wavelength means minimum frequency. But cosmic ray contains maximum frequency means minimum wavelength, maximum frequency and minimum wavelength. So not only first one, last one, okay, they can ask you in the form of multiple, they can ask any for EMR. So be ready to say the answer. But remember, if you want to say the answer, you should remember this systematic order. You don't need to remember this values, Nana. How much wavelength is there, how much wave number is there, for each and every don't need to remember. But you should remember the systematic order. 100% you can give the answer, Nana. Okay, all of you? Yes. So in that electromagnetic spectrum, as per NCERT textbook, I want to give you the importance of 4 special electromagnetic radiations. Okay, now? Yes. So in that, one side I am going to write that region, and also we can say that electromagnetic spectrum. So in that electromagnetic spectrum, which region contain which type of importance? And for that region, what about their frequency? They are having what is the range of frequency. So frequency range I want to show you. Okay, and finally here in the last column, their importance or their specialization I want to mention here. Okay, beta? Yes. So let me consider, as per our NCERT textbook, they have given the information about the radio waves. Which waves? Radio waves. Yes. So the region is nothing but the radio wave region. Radio wave region, it contains the frequency maximum around how much, Nana? 10 to the power of 6. So the frequency around 10 to the power of 6 Hz. And it contains what is the importance. Yes, we know very well. Try to imagine. Nana. So Radio City FM, like that number of Radio City centers will be there, especially in city regions like Bangalore and Hyderabad, Nana. So by sitting at home only, we will listen the music, Nana, by through FM. Yes, sir. So what is going on there? Simply we can say that communication is going on, nothing but for the purpose of broadcasting. So broadcasting of radio frequency, okay, now how much frequency we require, Nana? 10 to the power of 6 Hz. So the radio wave frequency around 10 to the power of 6 Hz, it was used for broadcasting. Means radio waves, they can be moved, okay, now for a long distance, because of in that all electromagnetic radiations which contains maximum wavelength. Radio waves contains maximum wavelength means length sabse jada, means they can travel for a more distance. That's why by sitting at home only we can enjoy the music, Nana. So the process is known as what, Nana? Broadcasting purpose. Yes. Next one is they have given the importance of microwaves, beta. Which waves? Microwaves. Yes. So the region in electromagnetic spectrum, here I am going to be consider that microwave region. It contains the frequency. The frequency is around, yes, how much? Microwave region that contain the frequency, that is around what, Nana? 10 to the power of 6, 10 to the power of 10 Hz. Okay. So the microwave region which contains the frequency around 10 to the power of 10 Hz, that shows what is the importance. So it was used for very important character. So it was used for radar. Used for what, Nana? Radar. The meaning of radar is nothing but the microwave region around the frequency of 10 to the power of 10 Hz, it can be used for radar. That means it can be used for satellite and spacecraft communications, and also for remote sensing purpose. So what we can use, Nana? Microwave frequency is responsible. Okay. So such property we have to say that satellite and spacecraft communication, for that point of view what we are using, Nana? Microwave frequency is responsible for that, Nana. Very important. Yes. So next, as per syllabus they have given another, that is the information about the infrared rays. So the region is nothing but the infrared IR region in the electromagnetic spectrum. It contains the frequency. The frequency is around 10 to the power of 13 Hz. 10 to the power of 13 Hz. Sir, what is the importance of infrared region? around the frequency of 10 to the power of 13 Hz. It was used for heating purpose, Nana. So heating of what? So it is used for the heating of, for the detecting of electrical appliances, nothing but electrical apparatus, whether they are heated or not. To detect that, here we are using the infrared frequency region around how much, Nana? 10 to the power of 13 Hz. Good. And next one, as per syllabus they have given, the information is about X-rays. What, Nana? X-rays. So X-ray region in electromagnetic spectrum which contain the frequency around how much, Nana? It's not X-ray, beta. I want to give the information about the UV rays. X-ray information was not given, of course. Okay, X-ray information was not given in our textbook NCERT. Just if you have to know about the UV rays. Yes. So UV rays in electromagnetic spectrum, they are having the frequency range around how much, Nana? 10 to the power of 16 Hz. And for this also they have not given any importance, but we know general thing. UV rays, nothing but ultraviolet light. It is one of the major component which comes from the sunlight, Nana. Okay, so I want to say its importance is it is a component of sun's radiation. So in sunlight, it is one of the component particle or one of the major constituting particle. So only about this four. Okay, now we have the particular information and their frequency region. You have to be remember. Remaining frequency values and wavelength values you don't need to remember. Okay, all of you, Nana? Yes. So definition of electromagnetic spectrum, which contains maximum, which contain minimum frequency values and wavelength values. Try to be focused. And about these four types of particular electromagnetic radiations and their somewhat importances or you can say specializations and their respective frequency values. Nearby around the maximum frequency values you have to be remembered. Okay, so up to now I have given the information only about the electromagnetic spectrum. But in the electromagnetic spectrum, total 9 types of different bands are there. I mean total 9 types of different electromagnetic radiations are there. But only a small part of the portion that only can be detected or that only can be seen by our eyes. That area is nothing but what, Nana? Visible rays, or we can say visible light, or we can say visible radiation. So that visual radiation or light, upon splitting, upon separating into, definitely, okay, it's going to be converted into how many lights, Nana? Is it going to be formed 7 different types of colored bands. Such 7 different types of colored bands are known as what, Nana? Visible spectrum. Okay, again same thing. In that visible spectrum, in that visual spectrum, same point we have to be applied. Left to right, wavelength goes to increases. Left to right, I mean from violet to red, lambda values, nothing but wavelength goes to the increases. Common concept. Maybe electromagnetic spectrum, maybe visible spectrum. Left to right, wavelength values must be increases and frequency values must be decreases. Okay, all of you clear, Nana? Yes. So now here, up to now I have given the information as per our textbook, as per our syllabus. I have given the information about the electromagnetic spectrum. Now I want to give you the 3 to 4 points information I want to give you about the what, Nana? Visible spectrum. Okay. So once again, what is the try to remember what will be the definition of electromagnetic spectrum, beta? The definition of electromagnetic spectrum is a systematic arrangement of all the 9 types of electromagnetic radiations in their increasing order of wavelengths and decreasing order of what, Nana? Frequencies is known as EMS, or we can say electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, beta? Yes, very good. Now here I am going to be discuss about the So now I want to discuss about what, beta? Visible spectrum के बारे में मैं आपके साथ discuss करना चाहता हूँ. What is mean by visible spectrum? What is the importance of visible spectrum? Visible spectrum, and also we can say that visible radiation. No problem. Okay, beta? Yes. So come on, try to reply fast. So visible radiation, or we can say visible spectrum, simply I want to consider here visible radiation, and also we can say that visible spectrum. Visible radiation, or we can say visible rays, or we can say visible spectrum, no problem. It is a small part of the, it is a small part of the entire electromagnetic spectrum, and it contains the frequency range around 10 to the power of 14 to 10 to the power of 15. Around 10 to the power of 15 you can consider, or we can say in the between 14 to 15, no problem, I say Vishnu. Okay, so visible spectrum is nothing but a small part of the entire electromagnetic spectrum. Next thing is, I want to say another point. Visible spectrum contains the wavelength from violet to red. 7 colors are there. Violet light contain 380 nanometer wavelength. What is the wavelength? 380 nanometer. And red light, it contains 760 nanometer. So what happened in that visible spectrum? From left to right, again we can say that from violet light to red color, from left to right, lambda values, wavelength values increases, like 380, 500, 600, 760. Of course here we can show number of, but certain important values I have written here. Okay, anyway, so left to right, definitely we have to say that wavelength values goes to be increase. But question was repeated in competitive exam. What is the wavelength range of visible spectrum? The wavelength range is, we have to be say that small part of area in the electromagnetic spectrum, that is nothing but what, Nana? Visible spectrum. It contains the wavelength range. Of course, in that visible spectrum, left to right, wavelength goes to increase and frequency goes to be decrease. How? 380 becomes 760. Wavelength increases. Here 10 to the power of 14, 10 to the power of 14 Hz. Frequency looking same, but see the value exactly. Violet contain 7.5 frequency, red contain 4. In both 10 to the power of 14 is common, but see the another value here, main focus. 7.5, this is 4. What happened? Left to right, frequency values decrease, and left to right, wavelength values increase. So wavelength goes to be increase and frequencies goes to be decrease. Same like above concept. Whatever that means, the spectrum concept should be same. Yes. So wavelength range of what, none? Wavelength range of which spectrum? Visible spectrum. Wavelength range of visible spectrum, that is around 380 nanometer to what, Nana? 380 nanometer to, we can say that 760 nanometer. This is the wavelength range. Means left to right wavelength goes to be increase. Okay, we have written wavelength range. What about frequency range? Yes, I am going to show you the frequency range of visible spectrum is 7.52. 7.5 into 10 to the power of 14 to 4 into 10 to the power of 14 Hz. All of you, my dear students, try to remember both the values. Okay, so wavelength range is 380 to 760 nanometer, and frequency range is 7.5 into 10 to the power of 14 to 4 into 10 to the power of 14. So left to right wavelength values increases and frequency values goes to be decreases. I hope you understand this meaning clearly. Yes, here another point I am going to be right now is, already I have told you, in total all 9 types of electromagnetic radiations, our eyes can see or detect only a small part, that is nothing but what, Nana? Visible part, or we can say visible rays. So it is nothing but a very small part in the entire electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, so that part can be, okay, that part we can see with our eyes. So our eyes can see, or we can say our eyes can detect clearly. Okay, now it is a very special part in the entire electromagnetic spectrum now. Yeah, next property I want to tell about the mainly 2 things. One is about violet light and one more is nothing but the red light. Okay, first of all let me consider violet light. So the color of radiation of violet light, violet color corresponds to a radiation. The radiation contains the wavelength. So the wavelength is nothing but the maximum wavelength so the value is nothing but how much, Nana? Sorry. Violet contain minimum wavelength, so the wavelength of minimum how much, Nana? Is minimum wavelength. It is around 380 nanometer. How much? 380 nanometer. So violet contain 380 nm. After that, wavelength goes to be increased. Anyway, violet contain minimum wavelength. Minimum wavelength means it contain maximum frequency. Yes, it contain minimum wavelength and maximum frequency. That frequency value already I have given to you, 7.5 into 10 to the power of 14. Okay, I want to give the information about the Rosse light. So that is nothing but the red color corresponds to a light, or we can say red color corresponds to a radiation. That radiation contains maximum wavelength nearby how much? So it contains maximum wavelength around, that is how much, Nana? 760 nanometer. And also we can say that, so it okay, red light contain maximum wavelength means it contain what? Minimum frequency. Quite opposite, Nana. What we can say is minimum frequency. In that manner we have to be remembered. So one question I want to ask you, generally try to think. So first, suppose for stopping vehicles in the traffic signal area, generally we will use which light, Nana? Red light. So why only red light will be used to stop the vehicles? Why we can't use other colors? The reason is red light, among all 7 colors, red light contains maximum wavelength. Length ka meaning distance. Okay na? Means from far away distance. Okay na? So traveler, or we can say passenger, they can be easily detect the red color because of due to its maximum wavelength. That color can be easily detected by our eyes, and automatically they are going to stop the vehicle. I hope you understand. Reason is only one thing, it contains maximum wavelength and it contains minimum frequency. Okay, all of you, Nana? Yes. So one more information I want to tell you, how the visible rays going to be produced, from what are the sources? Yes. So visible light is going to be produced from visible light, and also we can say that visible rays. They are going to be produced from, simply we can say that stars. कहाँ से produce हो सकता? Star से produce हो सकता. And also I want to say that they are going to be produced from arc lamps. Which lamps? Arc lamps. What is meant by arc lamps? Arc means okay, by the supplying of electricity. So production of light, okay, now by the passage of what, electricity in the glass tube experiment. That one we have to say that, arc lamps. Okay, yes. And go for next one is visible rays. They can be produced from the another source. The another source is nothing but the, I want to show you a small diagram. You suppose, yes, it is nothing but a bulb, nothing but one glass enclosed material, Nana. And in that glass enclosed container, here I am going to arrange one filament. You suppose it is nothing but the tungsten filament. Which filament, beta? Tungsten filament. Yes. So glass enclosed the tungsten filament. From that, generally we are using at home that only a tungsten filament inside the bulb. So definitely that light also visible. So visible rays or radiations, they can be produced from the sources. The sources are nothing but the stars. Stars chamke color to dekh sakte, visible nature, Nana. And arc lamps. So definitely glass material by passing electricity, we will get the toys material, Nana. And next, glass enclosed tungsten filament. From that also we are going to see the light. They are all nothing but sources of productions of visible rays. Okay, all of you, Nana? Very good. Now here, I want to ask you some of the questions. So in that, question number 1 is, fatafat, I am not going to write anything. Okay, just one question I want to write, Nana. Color with, what, Nana? Color with maximum frequency is, color with maximum frequency is. So by saying this 7, we can say easily maximum frequency contain by what, Nana? Violet color, but I want to change the options. One is red color and one more is nothing but the blue color, and one more is nothing but yellow color, and one more is nothing but the, this option D is nothing but the indigo color. Answer? Red, last, low frequency. Blue, okay, here fine. Next yellow, okay, here fine. Next one indigo. So indigo, it's starting. I mean, after violet, indigo is there. So left to right, what will be happen? Wavelength goes to be increase, but frequency goes to be decrease. So starting with colors, they are having more frequency. So first one is violet. Violet is not there. They are asking maximum frequency for violet, but in that option violet is not there. Go for next one. What? Indigo. So your answer is nothing but what, Nana? Indigo. So like that number of questions they can ask you, Nana. The meaning is nothing but what? You should be very familiar about the sequence of all 7 colors, and you should be very familiar about the sequence of all 9 types of electromagnetic radiations. Then only you can detect the answer. Not only this, Nana, they can ask you anything. How? For suppose one common relation yesterday already I have told you. Energy of a light or radiation directly proportional to frequency and also directly proportional to wave number. But all these 3 are inversely proportional to wavelength. All these 3 are what, Nana? Inversely proportional to wavelength. So left to right, maybe in electromagnetic spectrum or maybe in visible spectrum, left to right, wavelength values goes to be increase. So left to right, lambda values increase. I mean remaining all 3 values, they goes to be decrease. This is the information you have to be remember. So they can ask you any question. Color with maximum, radiation with maximum, color with minimum, radiation with minimum. What? Maybe energy or maybe frequency or maybe wave number or maybe wavelength. They can ask you any question. So finally try to remember 3 concepts. Systematic arrangement of electromagnetic radiations, systematic arrangement of 7 colors, and after that, these 4 relations you must be familiar. Wavelength is always inversely proportional to energy and wave number and wavelength. I mean, wavelength is always inversely proportional to energy and frequency and wave number. So left to right, how many properties goes to be decrease? Energy and frequency and wave number. And left to right, only one property goes to be increase, that is nothing but wavelength. I hope you understand. So many times I have given the explanation. Okay, now beta, guarantee hamesha mind mein fix karo. Left to right, what are the properties goes to be increase? Only wavelength. But what about remaining 3 properties? Energy and frequency and wave number. These 3 properties, left to right goes to be decrease, only wavelength goes to be increased. That point you have to be remembered. So same like this, 2 to 3 questions already I have given in the form of notes. That notes I will send you through the WhatsApp. You make practice. Okay, again if you have any doubt you can contact me now. Okay, good. Now on the basis of yesterday's topic electromagnetic radiation and in today's topic electromagnetic spectrum, based on EMS and EMR, electromagnetic radiation and electromagnetic spectrum, again I have written in the form of some problems I have written in notes beta. Okay, so all you make copy paste, but now 2 to 3 examples how to solve, how to make calculation, like that I am going to tell you, and how to, which formula we have to use, like that 2 to 3 questions I am going to be explained now. Okay, right. Yes, so let me consider question number 1, Nana. So the question number 1 is, I am going to say that, so the question was repeated like this, Nana. Find frequency of a radiation. Find frequency of a radiation. Find frequency of a radiation with a wavelength of nothing but lambda. With a wavelength of 600 nanometer. 600 nanometer. This is the question, beta. Yes. So what we have to calculate? Frequency. So here I am going to give you the solution. Radiation means light. Light contains wavelength. How much wavelength given? 600 nanometer. So wavelength lambda is equals to 600 nm, and also we can say that 600 nanometer. Yes, we can simplify this formula. 600 into, already I have given in the last class, Nanometer we have to be converted to meters. So 1 nanometer equals to how many meters? 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. Very good. So when we simplify this data, here 2 zeros are there, nothing but we can write in the form of 10 to the power of 2. 6 into 10 to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9. So 10 to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9. So we can write that 6 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meters. Very good. Now what they are asking? Frequency they are asking. What is the symbol of frequency? Nu. So nu is equals to question mark. So this is the value of what, Nana? Wavelength. And they are asking what? Frequency. So what is the relation between frequency and wavelength? I have given yesterday. Formula to calculate frequency. Nu is equals to C by lambda. What is the formula, beta? Nu is equals to C by lambda. Okay. What is mean by C? All the electromagnetic radiations are lights. They are traveling with same speed. So that is nothing but 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. That only we have to take because of lambda value in meter. Yes. So C value I have written here. Wavelength, nothing but lambda value. How much, Nana? 6 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Meter goes to be cancelled. So remaining we will get the answer only in second inverse, Nana. Meter per second. So per second is the answer. Meter goes to be cancelled upside downside. Okay. So 3 by 6, nothing but how many times goes to cancel? 1 by 2. So we can say that 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but what? 0.5 into here 10 to the power of minus 7. When we bring upside plus 7 and plus 8, so we can say 10 to the power of 15. So your answer is nothing but the 5 into 10 to the power of, this is a decimal point, I am shifting backside, 0.5 becomes 5. Nothing but from 10 to the power of 15 we have to remove minus 1 because of shifting decimal na beta. So 10 to the power of 15 into 10 to the power of minus 1 after shifting decimal point. So we can write that 10 to the power of 14 units. So frequency can be measured in what are the units? Second inverse. Otherwise simply you can write that H, no problem, as you wish, Nana. I hope you understand this answer clearly. Okay. Now another question I am going to give you. So first suppose here I am going to consider visible spectrum. Yeah, beta, what I am going to consider. So first suppose I am going to consider a visible spectrum. I am going to consider a visible spectrum. And already you know the wavelength range of visible spectrum. How much? 380 nanometer to 760 nanometer. That is the fixed value, no problem. Of course, 1020 up and down also we can consider. But in that problem, they have given visible spectrum. It was extends from 400 to 750 nm wavelength. So in the problem they have taken visible spectrum, and in this problem for that visible spectrum they have given wavelength range values. Wavelength extended from how much? 400 to 750. This is the value given in problem, but you remember 380 to 760 nm. Bas. Anyway, so for the given visible spectrum they have provided the wavelength range values. And now the question, in that question they are asking, beta, express this wavelength in what, Nana? Frequencies. Like that they are asking. Okay. So for the respective visible spectrum they have given the range of wavelength values, and they are asking you wavelength range they have given and convert that wavelength values into the frequencies in Hertz units. Bus. Anyway, so this is the first wavelength and this is the last wavelength. What happened here? Wavelength goes to be increased. So we can consider this is the wavelength of violet light, and then we can consider this is the wavelength of red light. So they have given the wavelength values of violet and red light, and we have to be consider the frequencies of violet and red light. That is the meaning. Okay, let me consider first of all solution. First of all, I am going to consider the light. The light is nothing but violet light. So for violet light, how much wavelength they have given? 400 nanometer. 400 nanometer. Or we can convert this value into what beta? Yes, simply we can write 400 into 1 nanometer means we can write 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. So when we simplify this data, same like above, 400 means 4 into 10 square, 10 square and 10 to the power of minus 9 means we can write that 10 to the power of minus 7 meters. Okay, ready? So this is nothing but what? This is the wavelength already they have given for the violet light. Now that wavelength we are going to express into the frequency. Again same formula we have to use. So what we are going to calculate? Frequency. Frequency of which light? Violet light. So frequency of violet is equals to, the formula is nothing but the C by lambda. What is the C value? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second by lambda value how much? 4 into 10 to the power of what? 7. Try to say the answer shortly. 1 by 4 means 0.25. But here is 3 by 4 means 0.75. 1 by 4 means 4 percentage, 25 percentage. 3 by 4 means what, Nana? What? 75 percentage. Yes or no? So 1 by 4 that is equals to 0.25. But 3 by 4 means it is equals to what? 0.75. Here is minus 7. When we bring upside, plus 7. Plus 7 and plus 8. So 7 plus 8 is nothing but what? 15. When we shift this decimal right side, 7.5 into 10 to the power of 14 becomes what, Nana? 10 to the power of 14. Okay. And what we are finding here? We have calculated violet light frequency. Frequency can be measured in unit, that is nothing but H. Similarly, I am going to calculate the frequency of red light. So for red light, I am going to give you the information. For which light? For red light, man. Okay, fine. So for red light, how much wavelength they have given? They have given the wavelength that is around 750 nanometer. Nanometer means we can write 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. So same Nana, 2 point यहाँ पर this, okay ना. So I am going to be simplify this 7.5 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meters. Why? Point यहाँ पर लेके समझो 10 to the power of minus 8. Here we are going to write the point, means here minus 9 becomes minus 7. Okay? Yeah, beta. So now this is your wavelength. So for the red light, now we are going to calculate the frequency. Frequency is nothing but nu. Nu of which light? Red light. So that is nothing but the C by lambda. C is nothing but 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. By lambda value, how much lambda value beta? 7.5 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Okay, all of you? So now try to simplify this data. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by 75 into 10 to the power of minus 8. No problem. 7.5 into 10 to the power of minus 7 is there. Now I am removing this decimal point. So we can write simply 75. Minus 7 becomes what, Nana? After removal of decimal, minus 7 minus 1, that is nothing but minus 8. 3 by 75, how many times goes to cancel? 25 times goes to cancel. 1 by 25. 325 is 75. Okay, good. Nothing but 1 by 25, you are getting the answer. 1 by 25 means we can write 0.04. Yes, sir. Yeah, minus 8, and when we bring upside plus 8, 8 and 8, how much, Nana? 16. So when we simplify this data, 0.04. Again shift to 2 decimal points. Just after shifting of 2 decimal, I want to write 4 into. After shifting of 2 decimal means here we can add minus 2. 16 minus 2 means we can write 10 to the power of what, Nana? 14. So 4 into 10 to the power of what, Nana? 14 Hz. So same answer I have given in visible spectrum. So what is the wavelength range? They have given 400 to 750 nm, and they are asking express this wavelength in frequencies. So the frequency range, violet contain 7.5 into 10 to the power of 14 Hz, and red light contain 4 into 10 to the power of 14. Same values I have given in the diagram also. Okay? In that manner, we have to do the calculation. Sometimes they will give the frequency, you have to calculate the wavelength, and sometimes they will give the wavelength, you have to calculate the frequency. Okay, C is the constant value in all the problems. All of you okay now, beta? Yes. So once finally I want to give you, finally I want to ask you another question. Question number 3, Nana. So they're asking, the question is, find frequency, the symbol is nothing but nu. Find wavelength, the symbol is nothing but lambda. Find wave number, the symbol is nothing but mu bar. It taken 3 questions. Find frequency, comma, wavelength and wave number of a light, or we can say of a radiation. That light contains particular period or time. That light contains a particular period of time of a light with period of 2 into 10 to the power of minus 10 seconds. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 10 seconds. So they have given one particular light. For that light, period of time also they have given 2 into 10 to the power of minus 10 seconds. So that light with period of time, it contains what is the frequency and wavelength and wave number. So let me consider first of all frequency. So frequency mu is equals to, you know the formula, C by lambda. But another formula for objective point of view, frequency nu is equals to 1 by period. Because of, you know the definition. Frequency can be measured in unit CPS, means cycle per second, or we can say second inverse, means in 1 second time how many waves are passing through a particular time, how many waves are passing through a particular point in 1 second time. Nothing but period is there, na beta? So that is the meaning, per second, nothing but 1 by period. It is also formula we can use now. Okay, fine. So frequency nu is equals to 1 by period, how much? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 10 seconds. So when we simplify this, 1 by 2 is nothing but the 0.5. Here is 10 to the power of minus 10. When we bring upside 10 to the power of 10. Here is in the form of denominator, second is there. When we consider in the form of numerator, we can write second inverse. So finally, upon simplification, we have to say that 5 into what, Nana? What we are going to get the answer here is 5 into 10 to the power of 9. Yes or no? After shifting one decimal, 10 minus 1 means we are getting 5 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Second inverse. This is your answer of what, Nana? Frequency. So along with frequency, what they are asking? Wavelength. So wavelength is nothing but lambda. Lambda is nothing but the C by nu. This is the formula you know very well. Okay. C. What is mean by C? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Nothing but speed of light. Divided by the frequency. How much frequency we got here? 5 into 10 to the power of 9. 5 into 10 to the power of 9 frequency. Okay, 3 by 5 means it's going to be cancelled 0.6 times. Why? After writing 0, it will become 30. 5, 6 is 30, 0.6 times going to be cancelled. Here is what? 9. When we bring upside, that will becomes minus 9. 8 minus 9 means we can say that, okay, 10 to the power of minus 1. So when we simplify this data, after shifting one decimal, we can write 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2, and wavelength can be measured in what, Nana? Meters. Bus. And last, another they are asking, this is A and this is B and this is C. What they are asking? Wave number. So what is mean by wave number? Wave number symbol is nothing but nu bar is equals to 1 by lambda, reciprocal of wavelength, Nana. Okay, so 1 by lambda. What is the lambda value? Lambda value already just now we got 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So 1 by 6 means we can write 0.0 means it will become 10. 10 by 6. How many times to cancel? 1 time. 6 only, that's 6. So 10 minus 6 is nothing but how much we are getting? 4. 4 means that will become 40. 40 by 6. Again we can write 6 6 is 36. So this data we can write continue. Into 10 to the power of 2. Here is minus 2. When we bring upside in the form of numerator, that going to be act as 10 to the power of 2. So when we simplify this data, I am going to shift now 2 decimal points. Nothing but we can say that 16.6. After shifting of 2 decimal points, here 10 to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 will be there. So plus 2 minus 2 goes to be cancelled. Your answer is nothing but 16.6. And unit, wavelength unit is meter, but here it is inversely proportional. So we can say that 16.6 meter inverse. In that way, this is your third problem, and this is your second problem, and this is your first problem. In the 2 to 3 problems are there. That were all 2 to 3 problems I am going to send you in the form of notes. Okay na beta. So story of EMR and EMS and based on their problems. Okay, now everything was clear, but try to remember systematic arrangement of all 9 electromagnetic radiations and all and colors of visible spectrum, and try to remember this relation. It was very important. Energy is directly proportional to frequency and also directly proportional to wave number, but all these three are inversely proportional to what, Nana? Wavelength. So wavelength is inversely proportional to remaining three other प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द EMR. ओके बेटा, ये हमेशा आप कमेंट में फीड कीजिए. गुड.